Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, there is a city unlike anywhere else on the planet. Cut off from the rest of the world by rainforests as far as the eye can see, and reachable only by plane or boat, Iquitos is as close to the end of the world as you can get. This is a land where nature is in charge, where customs are strong, and where each and every day is an adventure just waiting to happen. In today's video, we will show you the best things to do in Iquitos, Peru. And be sure to stick around until the end, as we have an experience to share that few visitors to Iquitos get to enjoy. Our journey will start with people living in Amazon. Iquitos is also one of the world's premier destinations for information on the native tribes of the Amazon jungle. A visit to one of the native communities is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that allows one to appreciate how people have coexisted in this jungle environment for centuries. The two most well-known tribes in this part of the world are the Yagua and the Bora. The Bora tribes people are found in small settlements from the area around the Putumayo River to the Napo River. Today, there are only about 2,000 of them, although this was significantly lowered during the rubber boom in the early part of the 20th century. The Yagua tribe is one of the oldest known inhabitants of the Amazon. There remain today 4,000 to 6,000 members of the Yagua tribe living in Peru and Colombia. Visiting these peoples is not only educational, but also humbling. As the sun goes down in the Amazon, the jungle changes dramatically. A night hike in the jungle is one of the most memorable adventures you will ever have in Iquitos. The darkness brings life to the jungle. The temperature is warm, a gentle wind blows through the trees, and the chirping of bugs and animals surrounds you. A slow and stealthy pace enables you to observe night animals that are unseen in the daytime. The presence of frogs, spiders, bugs, and shining eyes in the distance will constantly remind you that you are a guest in the wild. To have a safe adventure in the jungle, a guide is a must. Don't forget to bring a flashlight. That's the only source of light in the dark. The Amazon region in Peru is renowned not only for its Amazonian cuisine, which includes a variety of dishes, most of which have their own unique Amazonian flavors. The most common Amazonian dish is juan. The dish consists of rice, chicken or meat, olives, boiled eggs, and spices, all wrapped in a large bajeo leaf. The dish is then boiled to perfection. The next dish to try in the Amazon region is tacacho, which is mashed plantains and pork, all formed into a ball. The Amazon River's fresh fish is another delicacy to try. The dish is normally boiled, fried, or barbecued. Dining in Iquitos is not only about food, it's about experiencing the culture. The streets of Iquitos are full of mototaxis that hum and zip through the traffic, much like insects through the Amazon. The locals even refer to these vehicles as mosquitoes. These three-wheelers are the primary mode of transport in the city. Taking a moto taxi is an adventure in itself and is one of the best ways to get the feel of Iquitos. A brief ride lasting only a few blocks will only cost a few sols. Of course, no visit to Iquitos would be complete without a ride on the Amazon River itself. Known as the world's largest river, it measures a whopping 6,992 kilometers or 4,345 miles. Taking a ride on this massive river will give you a glimpse into the sheer power and endless nature of the Amazon. You may catch a glimpse of the river's inhabitants, such as piranhas, birds, and even the elusive pink river dolphin. Among the most memorable moments in this Amazon adventure is a ride at night through the Amazonian channels. With the engine and lights turned off, the jungle is pitch black all around you, and all you can hear is the sounds. Pacaya Samiria National Reserve is one of the biggest protected zones in Peru, measuring more than 2 million hectares of unspoiled rainforest. Founded in 1982, it protects a unique range of plant and animal species. It's possible to find tropical birds, freshwater fish, reptiles, as well as threatened species such as giant otters, black caimans, and pink dolphins. Due to the fact that the water in the reserve is very still, reflecting the colors of the sky and the forest around it, it's also known as the Jungle of Mirrors. Seeing a sunset in the reserve is a magical experience. It's as if the jungle itself has been colored gold. The Iron House, or Casa de Fierro, located in the middle of Iquitos, is another iconic structure that dates back to the rubber boom. The iron materials used in constructing this architectural treasure were imported from France and transported through the Peruvian jungle by human carriers. Currently, this piece of history serves as a cultural monument and restaurant that overlooks the Plaza de Armas, allowing visitors to relish local and foreign cuisine while appreciating the historical cityscape of Iquitos. Some 30 kilometers northeast of Iquitos, Monkey Island is one of the most uplifting sites in the area. This is a refuge and rehabilitation center for monkeys and sloths. There are 8 different species here, most of them rescued either as a result of illegal trading and/or injury. More than 250 monkeys have already been rescued here. The boat ride to the island and the chance to visit the animals is an experience one is not likely to forget. One of the most singular locations in Iquitos is Bullen. It is known as a floating community, and its market is unlike anything you've ever experienced. I would recommend visiting with a guide. In addition to the normal wares one might expect to see in a market, there are also herbal remedies and strange products based on Amazonian lore. Although these are fascinating, they are also potentially deadly. Therefore, under no circumstances should one purchase or use any of these products without the input of an expert. The Bullen Market provides a raw look at life in the Amazon. Iquitos is more than a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. And if you enjoyed this journey, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for many more adventures to come.